Hi, my name is Anielkis Batista, and I am a student at Poznań University of Life Siences. I'm here to do my PhD, and with this video, I'll be sharing with you the reasons why I'm here in Poland, in Poznań in specific. Well, I choose to come to Poland considering, excuse me, considering the potential that Poland has towards wood and wood technology. I did a few research and I found out that Poland was increasing in terms of wood production. There is a good volume of wood, which is even above 37 million cubic meters of wood producing in Poland. This is back in 2011. Now, if one considers that he wants to specialize himself in wood technology, well, one of the other questions that I had to answer is what sort of technology developments are there in Poland? Well, I could see that there is a lot of exportation of wood and wood-based materials from Poland to the rest of the world. Consider that Poland is the second or even on the top countries exporting wood-based panels. So I looked at Poland as being one of the countries to come and study. Not only considering its geographic location, I noticed that it's very good to be in a strategic country to do this degree, where you can find even knowledge that people share from Germany, from Norway, from even countries like Austria that are close by Poland. Well, another reason is the living in Poland, the cost of living in Poland. It's quite affordable. Students from all over the world come here. There's a lot of international students, but I also would like to share with you that if you're an African, this is a good place to come. Because accommodations are affordable, even the study costs are really affordable for the quality of studies that we can get here. This is one of the places where we store most of our sampling woods. So those woods that we take and then we take to the lab, which I will be showing you afterwards. So we store several different woods between hard and soft woods. We have them in different measurements. So they will be used according to the experiments that we will do using the different equipments that we have in the fire lab, which I will be showing to you. So before they come to this part, they actually come from the carpenter, which usually gets a form from us, which is a request where we give them what's the measurement we need, what type of wood we need, and then we have those samples stored here for further use in the fire lab. Here we are in the fire lab. So this is the laboratory where we usually bring all of our samples in all of those different wood and sizes for burning tests. So we use several different equipments to burn our samples and to understand the behavior of that specific sample towards the heat that we expose it to it. Okay, so this is the mini fire tube. As I said before, it's an equipment that helps us to understand the curves or the graphic, if you will, of the temperature building or temperature buildup, and also the mass loss of any sample that we use in this mini fire tube, in this equipment. So we use samples that size, probably 1 centimeter, half centimeter to 10, not too thick. We drill a hole in the middle so we can have it hang. Now I've choose wood technology, and I did find that the Institute of Wood Technology is really a very good institute when it comes to equipments, professional, when it comes to professional professors, very good researchers. They have a very updated methodology, not only to teach, but to help you with your research. That actually brings me to what I'm doing here in terms of research. I am doing, or we are looking for, a sustainable fire retardant formulation in order to have wood better protect towards fire degradation or even thermal degradation. So we're looking at have a formulation where we're going to use several products in order to gain the time to ignition. So to retard the time that wood will take to ignite and burn out. This is one of the main objectives of my research. But not only we are trying to look at the environmental quality while wood is burning. So not only retard the wood ignition, but also to look at the quality of the smoke thereof produced when wood is burning. So these are one of the objectives, and I can see that I can achieve that easily, considering the closeness that this institute has with the industry. There are visits that we do to the industry, paper mills, pulp industry. They are all around, actually very close to Poznań. So the trip towards that industry, or the closeness towards the industry, we can make easily in a blink of an eye, should I say, just a bus away. So these are very good advantages to come to this institute and have your degree done. Laboratories are, like I said, well equipped. There's several laboratories. There's very high technology within the classrooms. So classrooms are well equipped. So I think it's really a good idea to come to this institute and have your degree done.